But they wish they had a name that good. Curiously strong. It means I'm curious how strong it is.
Here we are live at MusicTown, inside Hockey Town. It's the Rob and Holly Show on 99.5 WYCD. And Holly, who are you texting right now? There's some very important people in the room.
There is. Big and Rich took Chris's car.
What?
You guys took the car that was supposed to bring Chris Lightning out. It's okay. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna text.
At least we didn't have to hotwire it. He's right there.
Also, we're being joined by Uncle Kracker in the studio as well here down here.
Kracker in the house. Hello.
Holy cow, where do we start? Big and Rich, we love having you guys as always. We've hung in Nashville, we hang in Detroit a lot, and this is actually, I think, maybe like, second or third time playing this 10-man jam.
We love being here, and we were just with y'all a year ago down in the Caribbean, right?
Yeah.
You know? And Dominica. Now here we are back up here. Yeah.
Don't worry, we didn't get invited to that one either. I think the morning show had the privilege of that one.
Oh.
We could use a fur coat about right now.
Yeah. It's a little bit
cold
chilly
in the city here tonight.
So we were just talking about the new song, Give That Girl a Beer, Give That Girl a Beer.
If she's looking mighty thirsty in this party atmosphere. If you want to see her getting crazy up in here, Lordy, give that girl a beer, son. Give that girl a beer.
Yeah!
You know what? You guys are the first station in the world to play that track. The track is so new that literally we haven't done anything. We just kind of shot it over to you guys because you're some of our best friends at country radio.
And you did
And you
write
said,
it just for the show.
play it. I said, okay.
It's so good and it's so fun. Earlier when we played it on the radio, I was like, oh man, I don't have a beer. Someone give me a beer. We're ready to party.
Get some help in here. This radio room needs some beer in it.
Well, it's wine with you, so you might need to change the word. Give that girl some wine.
I'll take whatever is handed to me. I think anything is just fine.
So,
bottle, keg, or can. Just put it in her hand.
Speaking of drinks and beverages, we got to get a shout out to Tito's because they're helping us out.
Hey, Tito's,
tonight.
thank you.
And I also see another bottle of something over there that our boss is holding.
Look at what? Hey, what is that fancy thing?
I see a familiar logo on that thing there, John.
Turn that around.
Yeah, so that's Redneck Riviera American Blended Whiskey, which this will be the first bottle that's ever entered the great state of Michigan.
Wow.
So our buddy Tim said, hey, man, bring a bottle to the interview. And I said, hey, don't threaten me with a good time, right? So we brought it in. But there's actually a great give-back partner on this called Folds of Honor, which is a group that pays for college scholarships for kids who lost a parent in combat. Last year, Folds gave back $60 million in college scholarships last year. Can you believe that number?
That is amazing.
And so the whiskey will be coming here soon, and, you can drink it and also know you're doing something good for the youth in this country.
We'll have 2 shots.
Double shot.
And give that a little taste, John.
Let's give it a sampling. I'm curious what old Uncle Kracker might think about it.
Hey, we already learned the new song is Kracker approved, right? Just from what you heard?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. It's got the seal of approval.
It sounds like something
Kracker, you think we ought to give the girls a beer, too?
It's never a bad idea.
No, just sitting around, and he was like, get that girl a beer, and I don't know, if you wouldn't have said that was the title, I might have, in my head, thought, like, it's a good title.
That's exactly what happened the night that we wrote it. It went just like that. It was just accidentally, Dude and a gal come up on the bus. We're saying, hey, would y'all like a drink? She says, what are y'all drinking? We go, well, we're having a little whiskey here. She says, I don't really like whiskey. And John looks up and he says, well, give that girl a beer. And I'm standing right beside the beer drawer, so I pull it right open, hand her a beer, and we all start singing, give that girl a beer, son. Give that girl a beer. She's looking.
And there you go, kids.
And we're going, oh, that ought to be a song.
Songwriting 101 from Big and Rich.
Songwriting 101. Yeah, that's just how it goes down sometimes.
Oh, my
It's
God.
that simple, right?
Strip clubs. The best place.
Where's he going? Where are you?
Cracker's just trying to get a tax write-off of any strip club he's never been to this year. He's like, I wrote a song in it. It's a tax write-off.
Wrote a song.
Call that an inspiration fee.
Right.
Yes, so I'm going to get a tax write-off.
I did want to mention though, you're talking about helping, vets and that. We got to hang out the Redneck Riviera in Las Vegas at the ACM last year with you guys. And I love the fact that if you are a military member or you're a veteran, you walk in there and you get the first drink on the house.
Yeah.
What?
Isn't that? I mean, I think we all say thank you for your service. We just go one extra step and say thank you for your service. What can I get you to drink? And there's one opening in Nashville the end of next month, and same thing. I think country artists and really artists of all these genres that love country like this go out of their way to make sure our vets and active duty know how much we care about them. Because without them, we don't have country radio stations. We don't get to write songs for a living or do anything good that happens to us without them, and we know that.
Thank you so much to our veterans listening right now.
That's so
all the
fantastic.
military men and women out there. Shout out to you because, like you said, we couldn't be doing what we're doing, having fun right here in Detroit City. We love you. We appreciate you. And if we see you tonight, you know what? We're probably gonna pour you a drink or get you a beer.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Big and Rich,
Let's
Uncle
hit that
Kracker.
stage. Yeah.
And we are going to be back with more here live from
Ooh,
MusicTown.
and check us out on Facebook Live right now.
Yes,
You're
Facebook
gonna get
Live.
We're on Facebook Live. You're gonna get all the back the scenes, whatever it's called.
Back the scenes. I think it's called Behind the Scenes.
You know what I'm talking about.
Thanks,
Stay tuned and Google book.
We're back with more here on 99.5 WYCD.
And this is the epic moment.
Okay.
Instabook and
Are we allowed?